Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a handy new update on Discord that helps you manage your friend requests more effectively. Specifically, we're talking about how to prevent friends of friends from sending you friend requests on PC. If you value your privacy and want to maintain a more curated friend list, keep watching. First, let's open Discord. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, look for the gear icon in the bottom left corner of your screen. This icon represents user settings. Click on it to access your settings menu. Once you're in the user settings menu, scroll down until you see the Friends section. Here, click on Friend Requests. This will take you to the part of the settings where you can manage how requests come your way. Now, here comes the crucial step. Look for the option labeled Friends of Friends. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Simply click on that toggle to disable the ability for Friends of Friends to send you friend requests. This action ensures that only people you have added as friends will be able to reach out to you, helping you maintain a more secure environment on Discord. That's it. You've successfully adjusted your settings to prevent friends of friends from sending you friend requests. It's a small change but can make a big difference in managing your Discord experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips and tricks on using Discord. See you in the next video.